26 Ultra is here for adventurers, make this clear. I'm out in the wild, Armor 26 in my hand. I'm out in the wild, Armor 26 in my hand. Walkie-talkie built in, talk across the land. Digital and analog, connecting near far. DMR on my side, clear as a star. Band support, F and VHF bands. 30 kilometers of range, keeping me in command. Outdoor ready features, communication strong and rugged environments, I can't go wrong. Rugged and ready, Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps going. Mills Teed certified, weathering any storm. IP68, IP69K in rugged form. Cameras on board, capturing all I see. 200 main clears can be. Wide angle night vision and zoom for more. Photos up to 4K, detailed to the core. 5.2 GB storage, expandable too. Keep all my memories and see them through. Oh, rugged and ready, Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps going. Rugged and ready, Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps. Rugged and ready, Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps going. Rugged and ready, Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps. Ulefone's got my back. Armor 26 Ultra, staying on track, 66 hours of power, lasting through the night, big battery keeps going. Mills Teed certified, weathering any storm. IP68, IP69K in rugged form. Cameras on board, capturing all I see. 200 main clears can be.